Importance of air filter and its maintenance. Now, let's understand the importance of air filter and its maintenance. The basic function of air filter is to prevent dust from entering the engine. This is exactly the reason why there is a need to either clean the air filter or replace it at regular intervals. Air filter is actually a layer or multiple layers of filters. These are the filters that clean up the air. Bajaj uses three types of air filters in different models: foam type, paper type and viscous type. Now remove the body parts.